my lovelies and welcome to YouTube episode number 151 Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta. আজকে নানান রকমের কাচওয়ার্কের শাড়ি দেখাবো, কিছু নতুন, কিছু আমি যেরকম দেখিয়ে আসছি, সুতরাং দেখতে থাকুন একদম শেষ অবধি। Product number 1 in tussar with কাচওয়ার্ক. These are all handwork in pure tussar with mirror work. I'll show you some lovely new shades in Kachwork today. So this is tussar with multicolor embroidery, all matte finish threads that has been used to give it a very classy finish after all. See, but at the same time these are handwork and these have a different pride in our wardrobe because these take so much of time creating these beauties. 9,500 for this product number 1, episode 151, pure tussar kachwork with mirror work buta all over with border in embroidery with piping, and it will have this border and back kachwork embroidery. The color is aqua kind of a color. You can say pastel sky blue color, but not actually sky blue. It has a tone of powder blue. Lovely shade, sea green blue color combination with beautiful thread work in hand. Product number 1. Now coming to product number 2. Lavender. Tussar, lovely combination in lavender. 9,500 with piping, complete with mirror work. Can you see the embroidery closely? All over buta with mirror work. Not too much contrast thread has been used. It's mainly tone on tone. And this one will have a heavy blouse piece also with the border and the back full work. Here is the sari. It's a lovely color. Very pretty color combination. Here is the pallu part for you. Very pretty handwork. Now a slate color with sea green, Rama green and slate color combination. This is also with all over buta, sleek border, handwork, pallu 9,500 number 3. Just take the screenshot of the product. The description is already mentioned. Please, when you take the screenshot, please make sure that the number is mentioned clearly. The color is already mentioned. So the number and the price is clearly mentioned. Please take the screenshot in that manner and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. And once I confirm you the availability of the product, then we'll give you the bank details. It will be a business account bank detail, and once the transfer is done, we'll courier it to you in 2 to 3 working days. I'm sure by now you know the process of the booking, but those who are new to my channel, so for them it's just to let you know. And one more thing, like I tell you in each of the episodes, please, when you make the after you make the payment, send the screenshot of the payment, so that there are many people making the same transfer. Even though you are very regular, I know you've done the payment, but just to check that it's yours, not anybody else's, or anyway it doesn't mix match, for our record, please send the successful screenshot of the payment, and we'll courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. This is a lovely rust color, light rust color, peachish rust. 9,500 with again Rama green embroidery. Kachwork, very pretty color combination with mirror work. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. We are open till Durga Puja every day, even on Sundays, both the branches. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Near the Citizen Park, we have the car park there also. And the other one is our old store. It's in 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near Baliganj Railway Station. So both the branches are close by. Please do visit. Sundays, as I said, we are open. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata with an additional charge. Outside Kolkata via courier, and even internationally we are shipping regularly. Deep red maroonish, number 5. All these are on first come first serve basis. So even though it may sell out, please don't be disheartened. I'll be showing regularly whatever is available. These are handwork, these take a lot of time, and multiple pieces are not available. So please bear with me. These are handwork products, so it takes time. 9,500 because there's piping, dyeing, mirror work, polishing. The whole process involves a lot of people, lot of labor, and in different places. So altogether it takes quite some time. So give that time. Definitely all of you will receive Kutch work. You love Kutch work. We love mirror works. So it's very mutual. This is the blouse piece. There are 2 WhatsApp number. Book in any one of the number, and even when you are making the payment, I find you are sending the payment details to both the numbers. Since both the WhatsApp number is of different branches, so don't there will be a delay in your shipment if you keep sending your payment details or your booking to both the numbers. Please message in any one of the number for that particular booking. It's a shade of blue, deep and light, and 7603042696 is only for WhatsApp messages, no phone calls. Sometimes I get messages that you are so arrogant, you don't pick up the call. Please ma'am, I'm doing the makeup, I'm doing the shooting, I'm doing the creation, I'm doing the interaction with the karigars, and also with my staff's creation. Everything involves me. Even I am answering all your messages in 7603042696. Now if I keep on picking phone calls, then your delay, the shipping will be very delayed, and it's not possible to answer all the phone calls because minimum 1500 phone calls I keep deleting every day. So it's quite a big this thing. So best it's message. I'll personally answer all your queries. This is the lovely Kutch work sari in tussar, shade of blue. Number 7. Tussar color, the natural virgin color, cream color with maroon work. See once again closely the embroidery. Number 7, here is the pallu for you. Product number 79500. It's cream color. Watch till the end. Lovely sarees I will show you today. See the blouse piece with work, and here is the whole sari. I'm opening, I'm draping for you so that you understand how it looks on draping. So the whole sari, even though all the saris are more or less in the same pattern, I try to open and show each product so that you can understand, because just to show like this and you just samajh lo, aise I don't want to do, because not only to save time, but the best thing is I want to show what my karigars have done. So many months have been gone into one creation, and just for few seconds I'm showing and removing. No, I really don't want that. So see properly how well the work is done, how neat the work, the finish, the back side, the piping is done in silk, 9,500 with mirror work, the dyeing, the whole color combination. There's so much time that has been involved in this one sari, so why will I show in only few seconds? So that's the thing. That's why I try to open and drape each and every product that I've been showing from day one. This is the blouse piece for this particular sari. Here is the pallu part. Lovely light greenish sky blue color, sea green color you can say, with shades of pink, thread work, touch work with mirrors. Now coming to a bottle green color, 9,500 again. We have more stock in the store, but maybe not this particular color or not this particular design. So for that, prior booking is necessary. But of course, it's a walk-in store. Anytime, please visit between 10 to 8 o'clock. We are open even on Sundays till the Durga Puja. 9,500 for this bottle green and red color combination in tussar kach work. With thread work blouse again, buta and border in the sleeves. Number 10, baby pink color with grey thread work, mirror work all over buta as usual. Here is the sari for you. Throughout till the end, and here is the heavy blouse because it's the sober color sari. So I've done a little heavier blouse for this with mirror work. Here is the lovely mirror work with the border and the blouse piece. Number 11, lovely silver grey color with a pink and off-white color thread work. This is also a beautiful shade, extremely elegant, sober. Usually we find kach work very vibrant and colorful, definitely, but in tussar I prefer a bit subtle, where we want to highlight the work. 9,500, because tussar itself is a very classy and elegant fabric. So in tussar usually I make all sober colors. In silk I make brighter colors. So wait for the silk, those who will want brighter shades, for them this is the, I'll show you the silk items for the brighter ones. This is the blouse piece for this, border and the blouse. Here is the sari. It's a beautiful color combination overall, and here is the pallu for you. Very pretty one with lot of work with mirrors. See the color once again. This is the pallu part. Now a traditional Agomoni collection, tussar color with red work. This is 8,990 rupees. 8,990 for this tussar mirror work, kach work sari. See the work, loads and loads of work. 8,990. Like I say, mirror work, we don't use mirror, we use the mica to make the sari lighter weight, and also to maintain the wash. It's much more, they don't come off easily. This is the blouse piece border. You can make a red blouse and attach the border for this. If you want it for your puja purpose or anything, you can wear it with a red blouse or a green blouse also. It's a gorgeous sari. Now I'll be showing you little heavier work sari. These have also come little Some of you wanted a bit broad border, so this is a broader border Kachwork sari in Tussar, peach and coral color. 9800, 300 rupees extra my Karigar has charged for this. This is a beautiful color combination, peach with light maroon, matte maroon embroidery, beautiful shade, very soothing, with blouse piece also. The blouse piece will also be with the work. This is the blouse piece border in both the sleeves. This is the blouse piece, and here is the full sari with the work. Beautiful looking border pallu concept, broad embroidery. See closely the embroidery, so much of mirror work done, but very lightweight. Now coming to the brighter ones, the silk one, pure Bangalore silk with Kachwork. This is a jhakaas color, a parrot green, but very pretty color also. Those who can carry this is a beautiful bright shade, lovely shade, looks very nice on wearing in the evenings. Lovely color combination. This is a parrot green with red and turmeric color thread work. Product number, this is, I think it's going in the screenshot, I can't find the tag here, but throughout the sari will have lovely embroidery with running blouse piece with the border. Here is the work once again for you. See, so much of embroidery. Yeah, product number 147990 for this, 7900 for this. Even this one, this is also same range, 7990. So much of this without mirror, throughout work. See the intricacy of the embroidery, so neat. And so see the back side. This is the embroidery. Close up, I'm showing you. Pure Bangalore silk. The color is biscuit mustard color. Many buttas throughout the sari. The sari has loads of buttas. And here comes the blouse piece for you. You can make a this coral color blouse piece or a black blouse. You can wear it with that and use the border. But even the sari blouse you can make, but you have to check the length of the length of the blouse piece, because usually in these where there are so much of work, the blouse piece comes to around 75 to 80 centimeters. So sari width though it usually हो जाता है, लेकिन एक बार चेक कर लीजिएगा, 5.5 मीटर रख के फिर ब्लाउज पीस काटिएगा. This is the sari. Depends on the structure, like how much you need for the blouse piece. Like usually I never make sari blouses that way. I make the blouse, but I mix and match with little extra fabric to give it a designer touch, and I don't wear it with that particular sari usually until unless it's traditional one. Like for this I would prefer a red color blouse with the border, or maybe a contrast mustard color blouse, deep mustard, or a rust blouse, or maybe a black and white printed blouse. This is the whole sari in jet black Bangalore silk. This is the border. This is the border one. Very fashionable sari, black with full white thread work. This is the pallu part. This price would be a bit more than the previous one. Yeah, this is 8900, 8900. Now whatever now I'll be showing you more or less is 8900 depending on the work and also the karigar. Few of my karigars charge a little less, but you know, overall I keep the price more or less here and there. This is the embroidery with mirror, and see, it's full panel style. 8900. Lot of work, so prices increase a little bit. With mirror. Whenever I can, or anybody, I mean, if my cost is less, definitely the price will be lower. This is the blouse piece, both the sleeves and the back. The back and the sleeves full with work. Here is the sari. It's a royal blue color with white thread work. Bright color, royal blue with again half sari buta, and the rest of the sari after the pleats it will be in stripe panel. Mustard color with multicolor work. I wouldn't say multicolor, it's green, red and white. 3 color has been used. Gorgeous bright color sari, mustard color with beautiful work. Here is the pallu, 8900 for this too, with mirror work also. Throughout it will be in panel style. See, mind it every time for katha and kutch work. I always say when it's Gujarati stitch, I mean the kutch work stitch, there's always some frameworks which might seem that it's like here where they put the frame, there are a bit of stretching of the fabric, so that's very common in silk fabric when you do thread work. So this is the sari for this mustard color. Now there's one turquoise blue. So see, lovely shades I'm showing. Many of you were waiting for kutch work. Kutch work takes a lot of time and comes from, you know, polishing and all these things. Again, this is with buta and then the panel work, stripe work. This is with white thread again. 8900, deep turquoise, deep sky blue, you can see, with lot of work in the pleats. It's coming to in stripes and the rest again buta. So it's a partly pallu design. This is the blouse piece work. Buta in the pleats will only have the stripe. The rest of the sari will have the buta design. Purple. Now pretty colors I'll be showing you now. This is purple. Gorgeous bright colors. Again this with panel in the pleats. This part will be in the pleat. So much of work in the pleats, and now this is the tuck in part. So much of butas, and here is the blouse piece. Red, lovely scarlet color. Achol, This is the blouse piece. During the Durga Puja, we keep a few days closed. Like from Shaptami afternoon, we close till we open after 4 days. So you book accordingly. Actually, whole of Calcutta comes to a standstill during Durga Puja. Everybody is in a festive mood. Navy blue, number 22. $8900 for this. Navy with work. Again, panel in the pleats, buta in the body, blouse piece. Magenta. Many colors have come, so I want to try to show all the colors. This is the deep magenta color. See the work, so much of 1 meter full work embroidery. Now here is the whole sari. See the bottom part. This will come in the pleats. Till the end, and here comes the sleek blouse piece border, because there's so much of work. See, Rani color, 24 in Rani. These are all Bangalore silk. $8900. Blouse piece. Very pretty color. Now something very exclusive, like this one I had shown in the last episode, and there were many bookings. So once again, one more piece has come, same price. I'm showing you again this one. It's pure Bangalore silk woven with loads and loads of work. 9950. See, half sari in black with beautiful throughout work, temple embroidery with loads of mirror work, and the rest of the sari will be in maroon with black blouse piece. Here is the black blouse piece border. See the lovely sari. ₹9,950. Gorgeous sari. Similar one, last time I had one only, now same piece another has come, and this is another gorgeous, very rich. See the work. Pallu. Same price, 9950. And with this black and red white thread work blouse piece. Can you see the full sari work? The pleats will be in stripe, and this work will go before the pleats also, before and after. The whole sari will have this embroidery. Isn't it just stunning? Now our favorite Bandhej fusion, Bandhej with Kutch work. So this is another pretty color that has come, green and red. Hand Bandhej in Tussar. $10,950, 10,950. With heavy Kutch work blouse. So if you make one of these Kutch work blouses, you can wear it with lovely dhakais, your handlooms, your solid color silks. They look so pretty, even with lehengas, flared skirts. Bandhej Kutch work. Another color I have. So one piece only they have just come. Red and mustard. Both the colors are very pretty colors. See the work. Pallu in red with yellow work. 10,950 rupees. It's a sheer delight to show these kind of handwork sarees in pure fabric. This is of course with this work blouse piece. This is the border and the whole saree blouse will have the buta in the back, and here is the, see, such a beautiful color combination for haldi ceremony or any other festive occasion. This color goes so well, and it's not a bright yellow one, it's a lovely mustard yellow color. It's a gorgeous saree. And lastly, the one that I am wearing, first time I have done these in Maheshwari, 6,500. See, such minimum range. Maheshwari, though this is Katha, I will be showing you Kutch work also. So in this fabric I did a few Katha. These are all first time I have done experiment. If you like it, please message. See, this is the Katha work done in Maheshwari, pure Maheshwari. First time. Pallu, and price only 6,500. Black, with this red blouse piece, deep red dual tone blouse piece. The saree will be in black. This is Kantha work. Handwork Katha. Only 6,500. This is A. The B I'll show you, since only 4 sarees and first time. So I'm showing the same material and even I am wearing. So I'm showing you the available embroidery. Both are handwork. So in this is again a deep blue, mid navy blue color. Another thing is the zari after polish little spreads out a bit, so that's, don't think it's any defect. After stiff polish, little bit slightly and so much of works, thoda sa ye spreads out because they've used the frame in the pallu part. So don't worry, it's not a defect. The whole sari will be with beautiful two-tone sari, and it has a running blouse piece with this. This color is equally pretty. This is B. $6,500, 29B, and the last one, same thing I'm wearing, number 30. Kutch work. See the work in Maheshwari, lightweight, very comfortable. Price is also much cheaper, almost 3,000 rupees than the Tussar ones. And but though it's one piece, let's see if I can manage to make a few more, but I don't think it's possible before the pujas. Let's see. This is the whole work sari with the blouse piece. Even that one has similar blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The two sleeves along with the border, back border will also be there. See this color combination, so pretty. It's ideal for summer also. 6500 only. It's so much of work and woven fabric, Maheshwari. And the mannequin 8900, again in Bangalore silk. 8900, so much of in bottle green, Bangalore silk with border buta throughout, Kutch work in Bangalore. So this blouse piece is also available in black with a tissue embroidered 3250, 3250 for the blouse piece, ready-made blouse. We have sizes, and the one that I am wearing, this is also available in magenta. It also has a running blouse. See the work. Pallu 6500 for the sari. The neck piece that I am wearing is 2500. 2500 for the neck piece. See, with the beautiful beadwork. It has this jhumka also, earring, and the neck piece. Very pretty. The beading is really very smart with magenta stone work, and also these balas. The pair of balas, it can be adjusted, you know, it can be quite easy to there's the loop here. I mean, you can just screw it up, open it up. This is 2500 pair. This pair is 2500 rupees for the pair of pearl setting bangles, and the neck piece I have also told you 2500, sari 6500. Thank you so much. Namaskar.